Hi, so now we will see in this list series, we will see how to remove the list item. Removing the list items. Okay, so here for you removing the list item, we will use the remove function, remove. Okay, so let's take it an example. Let me create a list of Sharad. Let's say apple. The same example we will take because it is a meaningful example. Na and cherry. So we will remove banana. Okay, we will remove the banana. So for this, Sharad, okay, dot, you should use remove function, remove. And what you want to remove? You can remove banana. If you know the name of the list item, just mention the name of the list item, Sharad, remove, then banana. Syntax will be the same. And if you will print this, you can see apple is cherry is only there, banana is removed from the list. Okay, even you can, if you don't know the name of the items present in the list, then you can use the index also. For using the index, okay, let me copy this so that I could use it in every example. Here by remove specified index. If you know the index number, you don't know the name, then you can easily remove it by the index number also by using the pop method. Okay, let me write it by using pop. It is very generally used in the Python, so just uh, aware of this. Okay, pop method is maximum used. So let me take the same example, Sharad, apple, banana, cherry. Okay, now I want to remove the second item of the list, banana. The same example as first. I will remove banana by using the index number. So what I'll do, I'll use Sharad, then dot, then pop, and then I'll specify the index number. Index number would be 1 because apple is 0, banana is 1. Okay, so now when I'll print this, it will get removed. Apple and cherry is there, banana is removed from the list. But what if I don't specify the index number? What will happen? Let's see. If we will not remove this if we will not give any index number in this pop, then it will remove the last item of the list by default. Okay, let me show you it by example. The same list I am taking. Now I will just use pop. I will not specify the item. I will just print it. So because we didn't specify anything, it will remove the last item. So if you want to remove a specified item, then use the index number in the pop. If you want to remove the last item, just empty it. Don't specify anything. It will automatically remove the last item. And even we have a del method. Okay, we have a del method for removing the specified index also. Del, this method is also there. Basically method wait, for removing the specified index. It is also a method. But I want to remove the first item, let's say. Let me paste it the same. I want to remove the apple. I don't know apple right now. Okay, so what I will use del method, del. Okay, and now Sharad, and I want to specify the index number of first item. It is 0. Apple is 0 indexing, so print Sharad, it removed. So both method you can use pop also, you can use del also. Okay, and even you can use this del keyword to remove the overall list. Okay, this is very powerful method, so when you use it very carefully. Okay, so let me write it. What if you want to remove the list completely? Spelling would be okay. Okay, here I will delete the entire list. So first create the list Sharad, apple, banana, cherry, and then if I want to delete it, I'll use only del keyword and then Sharad. The list will get deleted. I will not print because it is deleted. So if I'll print this, then it will get error. Okay, so if I'll run this, the list will get deleted. Okay, I already compiled it. It is deleted now. It is not there. Okay, you just need to mention and it will remove. And there is one more thing. If you don't want to delete it, you just want to the list what it is there. Okay, but if you want to remove the items of the list, okay, with no content, you want list should be there but you don't want the items in the list, then you will use a clear method. Okay, basically the clear, this method basically empties the list. I apologize for spelling em. Here let me write it in an example. Okay, the list will remain the same but it has no content. If I'll take the same example, Sharad, it have 3 items, apple, banana and cherry. Then Sharad. Okay, now I'll use clear method, clear. Okay, it will clear the list. So if I'll print the list, what will happen? The list is now printed but it has no content. It is emptied right now. Okay, so hope you understood this removing part. In remove there are different method. Clear method is there. Okay, and del method is there. You can use del method by index number also. Okay, poop method is there. Everything is there. Okay, I have just mentioned everything so that you could understand very clearly, and you can use these method in the live project also. Okay, so hope you understood all those things. That's all for this section. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.